we are going to talk about splitter and retriever we have in LangChain. A splitter is a component or a process that breaks large document into smaller, manageable chunks so that a large language model can process them effectively. Large language models like GPT have a context window limit, which means chatbots like GPT can only remember and understand a certain amount of text at a time. If a document is too long, it cannot process it in one go. By splitting the document, you can feed the LLM relevant pieces one by one. Smaller chunks improve retrieval quality and accuracy when doing question answering or RAG. Now, for every chunk, it creates its vector embeddings, which is a numerical representation of text and other data in a high dimensional space. Something like this list of numbers separated by comma. We can create vector embeddings using one of the embedding model like OpenAI's text embedding 3 small or text embedding 3 large. And this is the way we store the chunks and its vector embeddings in the vector database. Let's talk about the retriever and how it works, which is responsible for fetching relevant information from the database based on a query. In case of search or query, the query is first converted into embeddings using the same embedding model that was used for the content. The query embeddings are then compared with the embeddings stored in the database. These query embeddings are then compared with the embeddings stored in the database to find the most relevant content. The comparison is typically done using similarity or relevance metrics such as cosine similarity, which measures how close the query is to each content embedding in the vector space. Content with higher similarity scores is considered more relevant, while content with lower scores is less relevant. And this is how the splitter and retriever works.